Hi, today I will show you how to use Zelle on Chase app. So, in order to do this, first of all, you'll have to enroll in Zelle. Simply open Chase application. Now, sign into your Chase mobile application. Here, you're going to simply enter your password and login information and click sign in. Now, tap pay and transfer option available just at the right of the accounts, and here tap on send money with Zelle to start the quick enrollment process. Now, after you do this, you'll see this page where you'll have to click on I agree and click next. After you click next, you'll simply click on the Zelle ID that you want to use, or you can also add a new US mobile number or email address. So select a Zelle ID or add a new Zelle ID through your mobile number or email address and click next. Now choose an account you want to use. After choosing the checking account, click next. Now enter the code that will be sent to your mobile phone. After entering the code, click next. After you tap next here, you will see this page where you'll be ready to start sending and receiving money. Now click send or request money. After you do this, you can easily use Zelle on your mobile app. Now, to send money, what you'll have to simply do is tap send money with Zelle, and here tap the person you would like to pay. You can also add a new recipient or search for someone. All you need is their name, email, or US mobile number. Contacts already enrolled in Zelle will have the Z logo next to their name. Also, recipient must have an eligible account at a participating US bank to use Zelle. Now, enter the amount you want to send and click review and tap pay from to choose the account you want to use. Now, after doing this, tap here to see when you last paid this recipient. After you do this, you can simply click review and review the details and tap send it now to send the money. After you do this, you can easily send money to someone else if you need. So that's how you use Zelle on Chase app. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.